So the day hasn't been really eventful, or at least it seemed like it on the vlog. And kind of wanted to come on here and just chit chat a little bit, I guess, catch up. I've been in North Carolina for about a week, almost more than a week actually. It's gonna be 2 weeks on Monday. I kind of feel bleh. I don't know. Like, I'm doing okay. I guess being here, I'm with my husband and his family, but I kind of feel alone in my head, and it feels good. It's not that I'm alone and I don't like it. Just being here, it gives me time to focus a lot on me. I obviously don't have to go to work or be around people that know me personally, besides my husband. And also that there's not much to do. Like, I've been pretty much browsing in stores, which I don't mind. Like, it's been great. It's nice to just see new stores, see new things, or at least things that I know but I get to rediscover and not be under the pressure of, I'm here for a week so I have to buy like everything right now. So I guess like I'm just taking a day at a time, or even every minute at a time. I get super lazy though here. Besides going shopping, I don't really want to do anything. Like, I don't even want to do any activity. Sounds bad, right? Got nail polish yesterday. This red nail polish. It's called Russian Roulette 520 from Essie. I just needed a really red, but not one with a pink undertone. So I got this one. I did my toenails, and I'm probably gonna do my fingernails with that one. Yeah, I don't know, man. I haven't had the motivation to do much. Just want to chill. And the weather is hot. It's good, but that makes me extremely lazy. I don't even want to get dressed. Like, my outfit today was this black t-shirt, some shorts, like workout shorts, not even jean shorts. But it kind of feels like going on a retreat in a way, even though I'm still a part of civilization. I'm not completely hiding. It pretty much, like, you've probably seen it in the vlogs and probably think, wow, that girl has a very sad life. But the truth is, I'm not gonna film family things, so duh. It's pretty much, I wake up, I have breakfast either here or go out. And I like to go out because I get to enjoy new places. Then we go somewhere like a store, a mall, someplace that I wanted to see. Like, of course, I've been to middle of America, but I haven't been for a long time. Like, I didn't get to do things that I really wanted to do. So here, my husband, he doesn't really care. He just takes me anywhere I want to go. So I wanted to see some office supply stores and like the whole yard, I guess, the whole thing. He's studying for college too. Like, he's doing college right now online. So, for example, he likes to go to Barnes & Noble. There's one at the mall. So, yesterday and today, he just went to Barnes & Noble. And then I just walk around. I just like to stay in stores for hours. It's weird. It probably sounds like I'm a hoarder or anything, but, like, I don't buy anything. I did buy a few things. Since I've been here, I'll probably do a haul. But I'm just so lazy right now. Tell you the truth, I just wanted to talk to you guys to kind of explain what's been going on. I just felt like it all day. All day I've been telling myself I need to talk to the camera for a minute. Anyway, so what I got an Aveda shampoo because I really wanted one after watching that Harmony girl on YouTube. I got the conditioner. I got a shower gel from Bath & Body Works. I got a sweater from Pink, Victoria's Secret Pink. I've posted it on my Insta story. I don't know if you've seen it, but it's a sweater that I've actually posted 3 months ago on my Facebook, and that was on sale for half the price at Pink because there's of the semi-annual sales. So I bought that, and I bought this little mesh thing that you can put your underwear in, and since I travel so much, it's pretty useful. I bought a planner from Target. I bought some office supplies from Martha Stewart's brand at Staples. Really like it. I bought that nail polish that you saw because I only had a bright pink one. And I don't think bright pink would go with the flip-flops I bought. I bought some Tommy Hilfiger flip-flops and they're blue. But like, I don't know, I just feel like pink and blue don't really go together. I bought a tote bag, a blue tote bag, and it's actually reversible. It's pretty cool. I bought some shorts from Target. They're like American flag shorts. I had to buy them in size 12, even though I'm like size 8, I think, because they only had them in that size. And I really wanted those shorts. So they're super large. They're way too large. I'm probably gonna ask either my mom or someone else to make them smaller. Sorry, because if I'm wearing a phone in a pocket, I think the other day I went to Starbucks. No, it was yesterday. I put my phone, my iPhone 8 in my right pocket, and I had my husband's 8 Plus in my pocket. I thought my shorts would fall down. But anyway, we bought 2 towels from Bed Bath & Beyond, the ones with the monogram, but for half of the price we used a gift card that we got at the wedding. What else I got? I bought a sweatshirt from Ralph Lauren and a cardigan. I think that's it. So it might sound like a lot actually, but for the amount of times I've been in stores, like literally since I got here, every day I went to a different store. Bunch of stores every day. And I honestly bought things that I needed. I have 0 shoes. The only pairs of shoes that I have that I kept with me and that it didn't move to this, like, stayed with me in Belgium. I have my Nike running shoes. I have my Louis Vuitton ballerina. And I think I kept my fake Converse. I have 2 pairs of fake Converse that are trash. I need to throw them away. And I want to buy myself some white Converse. But I don't know if I want to do that right now. I don't know if I want to do it this time or wait until I go to Texas. Sorry. So I had 0 flip-flops whatsoever, so that's why I bought a pair. And I have 0 open shoes. I have 0 summer shoes. And I bought some brown leather flip-flops looking thing, but they tie at the ankle. Because I have none at home, and I shipped to Texas my fake Uggs. And I think that's it. Like, I really have 0 pair of shoes. That blue cardigan, I bought it because I need some more adult clothes, especially for my new job, and I don't want to get to Texas and feel like I have to go shopping for clothes because I only have like teenager college clothes. I don't have anything that's adult like. So I need to build a wardrobe, I guess. And that sweater was just too cute. The other one, it had the Ralph Lauren bear on it. So that's why I got it. The mesh thing from Victoria's Secret, I needed it. The bag, I only have a backpack. I don't have another purse, or I don't have a beach bag. So that's why I got my reversible Tommy Hilfiger bag. Plus I'm going to the beach next week. So that's why I got it. And I needed a shower gel. I needed a shampoo, so that's why I bought what I bought. The sweater, there was no way I was not gonna get it. I've been wanting it for 3 months, and it was half percent off, half price. So I had to get it. I think the only things on my bucket list, the only few things on my list are I need some makeup. I need some eyebrow product. I want a new eyebrow mascara, and I want a new kind of gel to fill them in. I want to try the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I put a few things on my bucket list. I'll do a haul when I get home probably. But yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys updated a little bit. Yeah, today hasn't been eventful. I went to Michael's. I saw they have some cool stickers for planners, those happy planner stickers things. I'm probably gonna get them. And I want to get some coloring, like one coloring book. But I just don't know if I want to use markers or pencils or even watercolor. I don't know, I've seen some stamps too. They're really cute. I want to get into my planner a little more. I mean, since I just bought a new one. I'm also looking for an address book too, so I can take everything with me, like in one book. Sorry. When I'm leaving Belgium, it will be just so much easier. But I struggled finding that. I went to every store. We went to, after the mall, we went to Office Depot. They had one, but I didn't like it. I've seen one at Barnes & Noble. It was okay. Wasn't my best style. Then we went to Hobby Lobby. They didn't have any, but that's where I saw the planner stuff. And then we went to Michael's. They had more planner stuff. Just like those stores. I could stand there for hours, man. I don't know what's the plan for tomorrow. I think we're going to the neighbors. But yeah, that's been it. Probably gonna paint my nails now and watch some more Leah Remini Scientology and the Aftermath. That's what I've been watching for a week, I think. I'm on season 2. I think that's it for my update today. See you guys tomorrow for another vlog. Bye bye.